Hey peeps, in today's video we'll be making a custom lantern with acrylic, wood, and LED lights. In order to cut all of our materials, we'll be using the Monport Effi9s 90W Laser Engraver. If you're interested in a Monport laser, you can use our discount code Anonymous10 for 10% off your purchase. This piece of acrylic is actually a messed up panel from our Fixing the Monport Reno video. We're going to stack these acrylic pieces for the front design of the lantern, so we'll measure the acrylic together. In boxes.py, we'll start to create our design's basic shape by adjusting the dimensions of a basic box and adding a lid. Now we can download this box and import it into LightBurn to customize. We're copying and pasting the handle to make it thicker, and then we can adjust the lid for it. Next, we'll add a rectangle to create the cutout for where the acrylic design will be. We're now going to use our shape tool and the create grid array tool to create a pattern that we can use for around the lantern. We then can subtract the shapes to create an even more interesting shape for the pattern. In order to cut the pattern for the space, we'll use the intersection tool. For the front of the lantern, we'll trace images to cut out of acrylic to layer. We'll go ahead and subtract our design from the spaces border to create the acrylic layer. We're drawing out the space around our pattern to use to cut our glow-in-the-dark acrylic for around the lantern. Next, we'll create a cutout for the lights, which we'll add later. Also, we'll create a cutout for the light's power cord. We needed to slightly adjust the space taken up by the pattern to account for where the light's cord is located. We're also creating pieces around the lid to add screws to make the lid be able to snap into the base. Finally, we're going to assign settings to the different layers. For the chipboard layer, we'll add a previously made setting to laser cut it. We'll also assign settings to our thick and thin acrylic layers. Now we can go ahead and start laser cutting our materials. All of our pieces are now cut, so we want to go ahead and clean off our materials so that we can spray paint the chipboard. Next, we're going to add lights to the lantern. We'll start by adding the light switch and the power cord. Then we can use the soldering tool to connect the adhesive LEDs to the power source and switch. Now we can start to assemble all of our pieces. Once again, if you're interested in a Monport machine, you can use our discount code Anonymous10 for 10% off your purchase. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it.